about it though.
What that?
You would never talk to a woman taller than you, you know.
Who, me?
Yeah.
You know. Oh, you look even. What that, oxtail? So what? Bulla. Yeah, let me get. We don't know where we park at.
Shalom, what it is, people? We back with another one. I got wifey with me today. About to step out a little bit, guys. It's Jerk Festival, right? Jerk Fest. We about to go see what they talking about. They have Jerk Fest. I know there's one in West Palm and one in Miramar. Different time of year. I've never been, so I'm about to go see what it's about. You know, we like to eat. We about to go see what it's about. You about to see what it's about, miss? You about to see what it's about. Check this out. We just paid $20 for parking. My wife brought me here. You know, my sugar mama. We paid $20 for parking, but we paid $50 for the ticket. So I'm trying to figure out what's the $50 for? Because it's Jerk Fest. So is it $50 for food, or is it just to go in to what? To look at food? I don't know. I ain't feeling this. Call me cheap if you want. I don't care.
All right, people, we're here. I don't want to say it, but the place look a little cloudy. I hear music over there, so I don't even know how much recording I could do. But most of the music, more than likely, not gonna be copyrights type. The music, what I'm hearing right now, is not copyright type music, hopefully. But y'all gonna get a little bit of stuff. Miss Chambers back there. Miss Chambers? I'm trying to figure out what we paid that $50 for. I think I'm being cheap. You think I'm being cheap? All right. Me not share, man. And this to make me money. I thought we was right around the we was here when we parked. We gotta walk. It's a good walk. We've been walking for about 5 minutes. How long we been walking? You see people still walking over. A little walk. Tell you what, I can definitely smell the jerk. Jerk is in the air. All right. Okay. I'm almost sure you gotta pay for your food. $50 not worth nothing. My wife know everybody. I have the whole South Florida, she know that. You need your hair done, go check her out. Buying a ticket, buying a chair, y'all. How long I gotta record, girl? How you gonna give that to me? I got all this stuff in my hand. You see what I'm saying? She's trying to make me hold all her stuff while I record. We could've come over here. All the lines are open, that's what she said. What's up, boss? You're not on camera. You're not on camera. You looking like, oh, you got me on camera.
Yep, we got to take everybody out.
Appreciate it. Another one? Oh.
go back and tell him you didn't search my bag.
Oh,
Search your bag.
okay.
Oh no, I just bought it.
He said you got to search my bag, bro.
You got you got your bag on the side.
And then but camera stuff.
All right. Ain't no 22s in there.
Oh, no, not this one. All right, know me hungry. You're not worried about nothing but food. All right. I can't use none of this. I gotta talk over this. Nigga, what are you doing? Free. Right there. Hold it.
Chef Irene, come on stage. Chef Irene, come on stage.
It's good. There you go. Here's some boy I play. Where?
Jerk. Oh, Jerk.
He's standing there. So the situation here, lots of the side.
Food everywhere, people. Food everywhere. Turn up the flavor. You so indecisive, y'all.
I know what I want one over there.
Well, you ain't gotta get all right. Right there, what I'm getting, y'all. What's that? You're not getting nothing here? Right, with festival. Yes. Yes. Let me want to try the jerk kong also. Yeah.
Can I have a cup of soup, please? Thank you.
It's a soup. You don't have no. Hold on.
Don't give me nothing from over here.
I'm not getting you nothing. Mr. Ellis getting you something. What do rust come like?
Robbie, I'm waiting on the party for the gentleman. Yeah, but I want you to focus on that, please. Thank you.
Well, I'm busy road here. So we doing it. What, an oxtail?
Yeah.
One oxtail. Let me see what you got.
Fish and festival.
You got, this is the wing. My fish look better than yours. That's what you get. That's what you get. Well, I said the conch, they come up. Conch is coming up.
Can I have a conch, please?
So,
Conch, what you want with the conch?
Just-
Festival or
just conch.
You ready, baby?
Jerk conch, people. Jerk conch, jerk conch. Oh yeah, we eating today. Hold up. People, jerk conch body.
I was in RUEZ. They're good. I don't know. Yeah, that's the, but people said that.
Where? Oh, I forgot you got it. So they don't take cards and my cash is done.
They took card from me.
They took card? I don't know. The lady might overcharge me.
Okay, this was 30.
Oh, it was 30 then. I gave her, but the wheel she took it from me like she hiding it. I just said, pick up your nice self. She look at me and whisper that. I'm just saying.
Right there.
Where you at? You out of cash?
I'm glad we didn't order.
Huh?
I'm glad that we didn't order.
One more time.
See the picture?
Boy. Y'all looking for Jamaican food? Y'all looking for Jamaican food? The name alone, you know. That look good, you know. That's a shame. Food for eat. There we go.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you. Where we are going now? Oh, you look even. How you gonna hold it? You don't have no space to hold it. You don't have no space.
Why do you bring the big bag?
I don't know. I didn't know. That's where that man. All right, bye-bye. How long y'all been here? 4:30? Yeah, we got here about the same time then. Nah, we're not about 30. Oh yeah, let me try one of them right now. So nobody no food? Y'all didn't buy no food yet? Oh. Oh, okay.
Oh, if a free and some free. First Prime Minister, listen up, make me trivia card wrong, let me get it right. Sir Alexander Bustamante, make me don't embarrass me. Tell this up.
No, but
Thank you. Sorry about that. Sorry about that.
why is it like stopping?
Trivia card wrong, me trivia card wrong. Alright, next question. Make sure the
Why is it like they have saltfish in it?
They said, what was the original capital of Jamaica?
Feel like they have saltfish in there.
Wait. Come run me down. What was the original capital? Is she correct?
Yep.
Yeah.
Mommy fish.
Coming back with more trivia. 19 minutes.
With my nice silk.
19 minutes.
God, I thank the Lord, I'm a big believer. I'm so lucky, Lord, as I walk with me. I'm a God beat at this in by the river. No, I was born to do what you can't even see. Told you. I gotta thank the Lord, I'm a
What's that? What is that?
They famous sauce to go with.
Who you went to? That Chef Tally? Boy, you have to jerk someone, you know. Right. You want to try?
Are you enjoying yourself today? You're from?
Sweet. Yo, it's sweet. Well, sweet.
So where you from?
My wife might love it though, but cutting off sweet.
I think we can understand them very long.
Patriotic.
Yes.
No man, it's sweet. Too sweet for me. There's no water in it?
Next year. We'll see next year. All right, what it is, my girl. Yes.
Wallace. I need it. That add some water to it, people. We added some water to it. Too sweet for me. You can have it. Remember, some men like sweets, you know. I'm gonna do it like this. What? My fish good. My fish is good.
Oh, you didn't eat it?
Yes, I did. Smigger, I can't eat a lot no more. So I gotta hurry up and taste everything before I get full.
One girl over here to tell you, I'm lying this is not. He's a whole lion, fall asleep and take chops. Alright, Susan, go on to.
Alright, trivia question number 20. R24. Alright. So, you can't win again. Come, miss. What first off? You never move. You don't know the question?
Jamaica.
Yes, Jamaica. But me ask you, what does it?
Food for eat, people.
7. And how many men and how many women? Men, 1 woman. Is she correct? How you say no? It's 6 men and 1 woman. That is right. Congrats. DJ Radcliffe, them I get 2.
You know who the one girl is?
10 minutes left on the chef. Cook all between.
How is the mission? How you going? How you going?
Right there. We eat there on the regular. Y'all look familiar. Yeah,
Y'all know kids.
I don't want no more food. Where you going? Jamaica. Where you go? Whoa. Fried chicken. Look at that. Yeah.
Open up and receive. Ladies, are you ready?
Yeah, flashlight. Oh, you know some have light. What do you? What do them?
They go in our house, yeah. Your mind.
Try to make it.
All the things I love to say. Ladies, I cherish every moment when you're around. I try not to show it, but I can't find words to say. I try to say I love you, but I get tongue-tied. I stutter with the words.
What's over here? Oh, I'm very important.
I know. So I'm all but you know, money talk.
I don't know about the fear part, you know.
So we're going to present this trophy to Papa Keith.
I said, boom, boom. I was saying, Dr. Savvy. You know I'm all about Dr. Savvy.
What all we want is to make sure so represent right this was Fusion Jamaican restaurant, right? Papa Keith, are you agree with me? You set me up. You know, don't kill yourself.
All right, man.
Which media is this?
Huh?
It's personal media.
Personal media, yes. YouTube. YouTube, yeah.
You know, we know this going to do.
What that?
You would never talk to a woman taller than you know.
Who, me?
Yeah.
It don't make no sense.
I meet me tell my wife that all the time. Because she has to wait. Why I can't wait here? And say, you're taller than me. You can't upstage me. Just right, just level, right.
Yeah.
So, I'm sorry, Ryan.
I just want to say,
What's your name? Jamaica.
Lando.
Lando.
Prime time Lando on YouTube. Look me up.
Okay, Lando.
Prime time Lando.
We have natural herbs here, Dr. Sebi inspired. Everything for life, for all autoimmune disease, underlying conditions, nutritional stuff, all natural stuff. You want a sample, you can sample it for free. No?
You want to sample something?
Live a little bit. You see what you want? You want the guava? You want the strawberry, mango, or the...
What is sampling? The sea moss?
Yeah, right there. Sit right there.
Which one? You?
Yeah, we sunrise going on in the way. We have 2 locations in Jamaica.
Hey, no mash up. Sorry, man. Sorry. No, never mind. Yeah.
Wanna buy one? Well, we
have cash?
from buyers, so we'll buy
Wait, what?
Trust me, I'm a good customer.
She don't want you to get it. No one.
We come to your store for a regular, no?
Yeah?
Well, at least she do.
What you do? You social media?
Yes, this YouTube.
Oh, you have a YouTube channel?
I have a YouTube. I'm famous. You don't know me? Everybody knows me. I'll just play.
You did one with your store.
I think I did about a year or 2 years. 2 years ago. I did one at your store.
Your son was there. He followed me.
We need to start doing some more promotion.
Okay.
Okay, she's our follower.
Follow her?
Follow up with us and help us to get it down here.
Okay. Cause we live down the street from your store still, so we can pass through. I've been there a couple times.
He can do a feature on your store because he did a feature.
You know what? You're right.
He did a feature about a couple of restaurants.
Okay.
The shakes and all that stuff. So she can come and interview you.
She have a point. You see that? Yeah, I'm saying so.
Ryan.
So that's what we'll do.
Ryan.
I'll come by.
No, you're sleeping.
He take a picture already.
No, he does social media.
I know that's what that's prime time Lando underscore. Hello? You know what I mean?
Yeah, you're good. So I'm gonna come by the store. That's the strong one. What's up, girl? All right, what's this? People. Roots tonic for him. Something did. All right, thanks, Mom. To my people, man.
Truly and truly, love the jam. Please make your contributions today. We're going to be doing a massive relief concert here in
Yeah, what?
And these two
All right. What's going over here? We have the news. Hello. That's not a bad idea. My favorite news channel now.
And it's easier to carry.
Thank you, thank you. Perfect. Thank you. Bigger. You want to be on TV, right? You famous. She was looking like, don't put me.
Why would you do that?
There you go. Boom, boom.
Orange, pineapple, and apple.
Shmiki, you never have boom, you know it's an energy drink.
No, I never had.
That's energy drink. Yeah. That's not. It's a little too late to be drinking energy. We don't want to go to bed at night. All right. I like this. Good. Go to YouTube. Right now. YouTube. Primetime Lando. Primetime Lando. Listen, you're not even posted yet, you know. It's coming. Can't miss. I got on a red and black, a black jacket and a red pants. Primetime Lando. You find it? You just met a celebrity. I'm a star. Thank you. Thank you. Bon and cheese.
You pick one free.
One of these? What? I'm saying, which one you suggest?
Let me see. I'll tell you. What?
Girl, okay. This better be good. And there's a whole bag. What's that? Ah, bulla? What's that? Dry. What's going on, boss? So what? Bulla. Yeah, let me get. With it. Let me get ginger with the cheese. Respect. Hold on.
On behalf of the 12th Congressional District, we send our love and condolences to Chef Matt's $2.
Western Union.
I want y'all, his family is here. This is a celebration of Max's life. This is not a downer, because we are celebrating tonight Max's life. We're celebrating Jerk Festival, but we're also celebrating his family that is here with Wi-Fi. This is this.
A Wi-Fi, but all right.
You know, pay the bill. In our Starlink, we need Starlink.
Our first chef.
Round what? We have green banana and we have ting. Ting.
What's up? How we doing? What? Careful, boy.
You will be judged.
The boss free that stranger, that's right.
Presentations is incorporation of Jerk.
Big man.
We're going with them three. Takes, presentation, and usage of ingredients. But the number one rule are you must use jerk seasoning.
Everything's on camera.
That's a right in the middle of the table is your component basket. You can use anything out of this basket right this.
Run from stranger, that's right. All right. Whoa, Shamika. Whoa. Look on that body there. Look on that, look. No re-entry. You sure? No re-entry. Are you sure? All right, let's go then. We decided to leave. I guess it's supposed to be like a couple stage show, like a couple artists gonna pop up, but I'm satisfied. My belly's full. I didn't even eat all my food, man. I can't eat a lot no more.
The food ain't all that noise. I like the conch fritters, but
the conch fritters was good. The conch fritters was good. The jerk conch, it was different. So it was good to try that out. That was different. It was okay.
I ate from Ruddy's.
It wasn't nothing crazy. It was okay. I can't eat a lot no more. I don't even know if I should say this, but I can't. 2 months ago, I came off a fast. When I came off the fast, I can't eat a lot no more. So maybe God delivered me from gluttony. Maybe I've been overeating. I don't know. But I can't eat a lot no more. I eat a little bit. Not a little bit. I eat a decent amount. So I can no longer overeat. Oh, you guys will come up here. Either way, people, we enjoyed it. People still coming in. It's still early. All right. We got here, what we got, about 4:30, 5 o'clock? And it's about, what time it is now? Sure not tell time.
10 minutes to 7.
10 minutes to 7. Not bad. Call it 2 hours we spent here. Not bad, that's all I need. Satisfied. Can't cry. Good.
Still got 3 more hours.
3 more hours? Well, people still coming in.
Over at 10.
Oh, we leaving before 7, it's over at 10, but it's all right. I like my home. Yeah, we church folks. We don't stay out too late.
That's our curfew.
That's it. That's it, y'all. I'm good. Satisfied. Let me show y'all. People still coming in. Look at this. We going the opposite direction and people still coming in. Because it ends at 10, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 3 more hours left. Nope, I'm good. I got food. Yeah, let's say. We don't know where we park at, people.
We were just walking.
I definitely didn't mark it. I think it's somewhere. I feel like it's, all right, we're gonna walk down this aisle, people. We don't know where we park at. I know we close, I know it's somewhere right here. I know that much. We don't know where we park. I know, I heard it go off. I thought, I'm like, hold on, that's not my car. I know, right? I think that's it making noise. It's over there. Dang, well, I don't know where. Dang, we definitely just got in the car. We got out the car, didn't even look where we was at. Usually, that's my job, because my wife don't never pay attention when I'm around. So, I failed. I'm gonna take these glasses off. Oh, we found it, guys. We found it. No, what I just choked on.
Here goes some
Woo! I just randomly started choking, guys. I swallowed my spit and went down the wrong hole. Let's get in this car. Woo! I don't think nobody can find their car. Everybody's setting off the alarm.
And it's so dark.
They should have had the roads like marked or something. All right, people. That was that. What is this? I enjoyed myself. Sure, my wife enjoyed herself. We stayed here an hour and a half, 2 hours. Not bad. We did well. Ate food. I do. Excuse me. Ate food. I'm full. I brought. To be honest, I think I got full off eating all in the festival. Food was okay. Was nothing crazy. Y'all looking for some real food, seafood? Gotta go to Harold Fish Fry. Well, I said, B-ups. Everything good? Miss Chambers?
Yes.
All right, y'all. We signing out. Appreciate y'all for coming to the Jerk Fest with us. You know. Until next time, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's your boy Lando. I am from Lando. Look at the line over there, people. People are still coming. That's crazy. Excuse me. We definitely leave the party early. That's what we do. Because we don't really like being around people like that. I ain't see nothing exciting for me. It was nothing exciting.